Bamboo-inspired design is becoming increasingly popular because it brings some special into modern space, warmth, simplicity, nature, and elegance. And you don't need to create complicated design to achieve that expensive look. With flowing shapes, natural texture, warm color, and thoughtful craftsmanship, even simple handmade piece can feel sophisticated. Hello there, reviewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are exploring creative way to turn the organic look of bamboo into furniture, crafts, and decorative products that could inspire your next handmade collections. From small decor piece to statement furniture, this idea combines natural beauty with modern design. And if you are interested in selling handmade products, you will see how one design style can be turned into several different products. Start with the bamboo inspired look. The first thing to understand is that bamboo inspired design is more than simply using bamboo. It's about capturing the feeling of nature. Think about smooth curves, simple shapes, warm color, and lightweight looking structures. The goal is to create something that feels connected to nature while still looking modern. Choose natural looking materials. You can experiment with bamboo itself or other suitable materials that can create a simple appearance. Natural wood, reclaimed timber, canning, rattan, and other plant-based material can all work beautifully. Choose materials with attractive texture and character. The more natural the material looks, the more organic the finished product can feel. Create a bamboo-inspired accent chair. Imagine a simple chair with curved wooden arm and a warm, natural finish. Keep the design light and open. Avoid unnecessary decoration. Let the shape and the natural material become the main attraction. This type of chair can work beautifully in bedroom, living room, reading corner, and relaxed space. Build an organic side table. Small side tables is another great way to explore this design trend. Use a round tabletop and curved support to create a softer appearance. Add a natural finish that highlights the wood grain. The result can feel modern without looking cold. Make a natural plant stand. Plants and bamboos inspired furniture naturally work well together. Create a simple stand with one or several levels. Add beautiful indoor plants and you will have instantly created a natural focal point. This is also excellent small space product because does not require much room. Create a huge plant display. You can take the same idea and move into another wall and ceiling. Create a simple hanging structure for small plants. Natural rope, wood, and bamboo inspired material can work beautifully together. Keep the design simple so the plant remains the main attraction. Design organic storage basket. Storage does not have to look boring. Natural materials can turn everyday storage into attractive home decor. Create a basket for blanket, toys, magazine, or other household items. Coordinate a collection of different size and can make the product even more appealing. Make bamboo inspired candle holders. Small piece can become beautiful decoration product. Try create candle holders with round shape and natural texture. For safety, keep open flame away from combustible materials or use LED candle for a safe decorative options. This small product can also make attractive handmade gift. Create an organic pendant light. Light can completely change the atmosphere of a room. A bamboo-inspired pendant shape can create a beautiful pattern of light and shadow. Keep the shape simple and elegant. If creating functional electrical light, use appropriate certified electric component and follow local electric safety requirements. Make a natural framed mirrors. A mirror with a curved natural frame can become a beautiful statement piece. Instead of using a perfectly squared frame, Experiment with rounded or organic shapes. The natural frame can make an ordinary mirror feel like a piece of handmade art. Create organic wall decor. You don't always need to build furniture. Think about curves, circles, waves, and repeat patterns. Simple shape can be created surprisingly sophisticated artwork. Design a bamboo-inspired headboards. A bedroom is perfect for this style. Create a natural-looking headboard using vertical or curved elements. The repeating pattern can create a peaceful atmosphere. Combine it with natural bedding and natural texture for a complete look. Build a low organic bench. A simple bench can become a beautiful piece of modern decor. Use a smooth wooden seat with curved or bamboo-inspired support. Keep the lines clean. A bench like this can work at the end of a bed, in entryway, or beneath a window. Create a tea or survey tray. A small handmade product can be used as attractive as large furniture. A natural wood tray with curved edge can have a premium appearance. Add handles made from suitable materials to complete the design. This product can also work well as a gift. Make organic floating shelves. Wall shelves are another excellent opportunity. Instead of making a basic rectangular shelf, experiment with rounded edge and natural shapes. Use warm wood tone and simple support. The result can feel both functional and decorative. Create a natural laundry hampers. Large organic baskets can become practical household products. A bamboo-inspired laundry hamper can hide everyday clutter while adding warmth to the room. Make it strong, lightweight, and easy to move. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which countryside you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friends and family. Let's inspire more people to create something beautiful with their own hands. Design a bamboo-inspired disc organizer. A small scrap can become useful disc organizers. Create organizer for pencil, notebook, phone, or small office supplies. Use the rounded edge and natural finish to give them a softer appearance. This is a great example for turning small material piece into sellable products. Make a natural phone stand. A phone stand is a simple but useful. Add a curved shape and smooth finish to make it look more premium. Small products like these are also easy to customize. You could offer different size, finishes, and personalized detail. Create a mini indoor garden shelf. Combine several small shelves into a compact indoor garden. Add herbs, small plants, or decorative pots. This creates a product that combines storage and natural beauty. It can be especially attractive for people living in small houses or apartments. Use curves to create luxury. One of the best and the biggest secret behind organic looking furniture is the use of curves. Highlight natural texture. Don't hide every mark and variation. Natural grain and subtle imperfection can give handmade products personality. The goal is to make the material look curved without removing all of its natural character. Create matching collections. Here is where the business opportunity becomes interesting. Don't think about making only one product. Create a collection. A plant stand can match a side table. A tree can match a candle holder. A wall shelf can match a mirror. When products share the same style, customers can create a complete look in their homes. Create products at different price level. Not everyone has the same budget. That's why you can create small, medium, and premium products. A phone stand can be affordable entry product. A plant stand can sit in the middle. A large chair or table can become a premium handmade piece. This gives customers more way to connect with your brand. Focus on handmade gifts. Small bamboo inspired products can make excellent gift tray, candle holders, plant stand, phone holders, disc organizer, decorative pieces. Add personality where appropriate and you can make the product feel even more special. Reduce material waste. Organic design can also work beautifully with reclaimed materials. Save suitable of cuts. Sort them by size. Use large piece for furniture. Use smaller piece for accessories. This helps you get more value from the material you already have. Make your product look premium. A beautiful product can lose its appeal if the presentation is poor. Photograph your work in a clear, modern environment. Use a natural looking light. Add plants, books, baskets, or other simple decor. Show close up for the texture. Help customer imagine the product in their own home. Don't confuse cheap with affordable. If you are selling handmade product, don't assume you have to compete with mass-produced price. Handmade work has value because of the time, creativity, material, and attention to the detail involved. Calculate your costs carefully. Include your time, finishing, packaging, and other expenses. Then choose a price that makes sense for your business. Why this trend has potential? Modern homes are increasingly embracing natural texture and calm space. People want an interior that feels warm rather than overly artificial. Bamboo inspired furniture fits beautifully into this moment. It can work with minimalist interior, modern home, rustic space, and even luxury decor. That flexibility makes this style especially interesting for handmade creators. Build your own signature style. The, the biggest opportunity is not simply copying a trend. Take inspiration from bamboo and organic design, then create your own style. Maybe your signature is curved shapes, maybe it's natural wood and drop, maybe it's minimalist plant feature furniture, maybe it's natural organic light. Find something people can recognize as your work. Here is the bonus ideas for business beginners. Here is the best and the bigger lesson. You don't need hundreds of different products. Start with a few strong design. Make them well. Create different size, offer matching piece, photograph them beautifully. Then test which products customers respond the most. When you discover a design that works, build a collection around it. In the end, the bamboo-inspired design provides that natural material and simple design can create incredibly beautiful product. You don't need to make everything complicated. Focus on natural shape. Use warm material. Keep the design clean. Pay attention to the details. And most importantly, create something that people would actually love to have in their home. Whether you are making a small phone stand or complete piece of furniture, every project is an opportunity to experiment and improve. And if you have if you are thinking if you are thinking about selling handmade product, remember that one successful design can become an entire product collection. Start small, make it beautiful, and let creativity grow. If you enjoy this idea, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications for more woodworking project, organic furniture idea, handmade crafts, sustainable design, and profitable craft inspiration. And let us know in the comments which bamboo inspiration project would you love to make first. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and remember, natural materials be simple, but with right design they can become extraordinary.